Yeah, so I got this bad boy right here. Yep, so my old microwave wanted to break, so I got this new one. So just got this new microwave and so yeah, without further ado, let's get this onto a tray. Nice. So yeah, got this new microwave and it has the plate over there, and it has 5 power settings and the timer, and should be good. It was cheap for 40 bucks, so 40 bucks. So you get this fucking probably good microwave.